Hey guys, it's Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring. As always, so lovely to join you. Today we've got a question relating to measurement, and we're going to do something around perimeter. So the question here says to us, the perimeter of a regular pentagon with one side equal to 5 centimeters. So they've given us a ton of information in there, and it's really important that you understand what they're saying. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to complete the question. So whenever we get a question like this and they haven't given you a diagram, I always suggest draw the diagram out. So what is a pentagon? We know that a pentagon is a shape that has 5 sides. So let's draw our pentagon. Okay, as you can see, we've got a pentagon and it has 5 sides. So that's the first thing, is understanding what a pentagon is. We know that it has 5 sides. Now, they've also said to us it's a regular pentagon. What do we know about a regular pentagon? A regular pentagon simply means that each of the sides is the same length. So we can make a mark on each of these sides just to indicate that all of them are the same size. And then they've said to us, right, one side equals 5 centimeters. So that means that side equals 5 centimeters. That must mean that is equal to 5 centimeters. That is equal to 5 centimeters. That is equal to 5 centimeters. And finally, that is equal to 5 centimeters. Now, they've specifically asked us for the perimeter of the shape. And we know perimeter is the total distance around the entire shape. So we're going to add up all of these numbers together and we're going to get an answer. So I'm going to do it up here and I'm going to say the perimeter is equal to 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. What's an easier way of writing out 5 added to itself 5 times? We would say it is 5 times 5. And that would mean our total answer is 25. You won't get the mark because you haven't written in the units. There is our units, and there would be the full mark. Now we need to check, is the answer there as one of the options listed? It is indeed. So we know that the answer to this question would be A, and that would be a mark in the bag. That's all from me, guys. A very special thank you to our sponsors. You can find out more about them in the description below. If you're keen on more videos like this, visit our website. If we haven't answered your question yet, send it to us and we will reply with a personalized video. Until then, guys, stay epic.